Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check the RAM speed on your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do first is press Alt, Control and Delete from your keyboard, and then this will show up. Now from here click on Task Manager, and then the Task Manager will show up. But if your Task Manager looks something like this and nothing shows up, you can just click on this down arrow here next to More Details, and then it will look like this. Now from the top click on the Performance tab, and here you can see the CPU tab is selected, and from here you can check the speed of your CPU and the utilization. Now right below that is Memory, click on it. Now this is the tab for your RAM. Now here you can see the RAM speed, which is 2400 megahertz in my case, and the total RAM size is 8 gigabytes. You can also check how much RAM is in use and how much is available, and also the caching and other stuff. You can also check your Wi-Fi and disk speeds from here as well as your GPU. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.